Status Rollup Synchronizer in the Structure plugin lets you have issue status change automatically to match the statuses of its sub-issues. Here's how it works on this sample structure. Let's install a synchronizer using Manage Structure page, and here's Status Rollup Synchronizer. You can limit the projects and issue types of the issues that the synchronizer is allowed to change, and you have to select at least one status here. I have selected only the resolved status, and that means that if all sub-issues are resolved, then the parent issue should be made resolved. If any sub-issue has a different status, the parent issue will not be changed. Because the only way to change an issue status in Jira is through a workflow transition, we need to select which transitions is the synchronizer allowed to make. And let's create the synchronizer. We need to enable it, and then let's see what happens on the structure board. So let's take a look at the story A. It has 3 subtasks, and one of them is resolved, and we will make 2 other subtasks resolved too. The synchronizer runs in background, so it will take a couple of seconds, and then there you go, story A is also made resolved. Let's do it again with the story B, which seems to be the last issue under Epic 1 that is not resolved. Okay, so Epic 1 is now resolved too. This configuration would work only for changing issue status into resolved, so let's create a different one. First we need to delete the old synchronizer and create a new one, but this time let's select a number of statuses. You can see that the statuses are positioned in a specific order and that you can change it, and this order is really important because it defines what status will be selected for the issue if its sub-issues have different statuses. Basically, the closer a status is to the end of the workflow, the later it should appear on this list. Okay, so let's select the applicable workflow actions for the selected statuses and create the synchronizer and make it enabled, and let's see what will happen with our structure. Let's reopen one of the subtasks here, and this should also make story C reopen and Epic 1 reopen too.